Hi, to turn on and off your Garmin Vivoactive 5, as a first step, let's turn them off. For that, we need to find this upper button and just press and hold it for about 2-3 seconds till you see this menu appears on the screen. Now from here you just need to swipe up to find this power off option, select it by tapping and tap on this green check mark to confirm. And when the screen will be completely turned off, we can turn them on. And for that, simply hold this upper button till you see the Garmin logo appears on the screen. So let me hold the button. And now the screen is on, so we can use our watch like we would normally do. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.